You have two numbers 12 and 18, and you have to find the first three common multiples of these two numbers, that is 12 and 18. And whenever you are asked such questions, it's always good to first write the first 10 multiples of those numbers. Like here you have 12, so write 12, right? First 10 multiples of 12. So the first 10 multiples of 12 will be like 12 times 1 is 12, right? 12 times 1 is 12. Then 12 times 2 will be 24. 12 times 3 will be 36. Okay, we are writing the multiples of 12. So 12 times 1 is 12, 12 times 2 is 24, 12 times 3 is 36, 12 times 4 is 48, 12 times 5 is 60, 12 times 6 is 72, 12 times 7 is 84, 12 times 8 is 96, 12 times 9 is 108, and finally you have 120. These are the first 10 multiples of 12. Now write for 18. So the first 10 multiples of 18 will be 18 times 1 is 18, 18 times 2 is 36, 18 times 3 is 54, 18 times 4 is 72, 18 times 5 is 90, then 18 times 6 is 108, then 18 times what was that? Where were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 7. 18 times 7 will be 126. 18 times 8 will be 144. 18 times 9 will be 162. And then you will have 180. 18 times 10 will be 180. So these are the 10 common multiples of 18. First 10 multiples of 18. And these are first 10 multiples of 12. Now you have to find the first 3 common multiples. So here you have 12, you don't have 12 here, you have 24, you don't have 24 here, you have 36. Yes, we have 36 here and we have 36 here. So this is the first one. The next one will be you have 48 here, we don't have 48, you have 60 here, you don't have 60, you have 72 here. Yes, 72 is present here and 72 is present here. Then you have 84, we don't have 84 here. You have 96, we don't have 96 here. We have 108, yes, 108 is present here, 108 is present here. So the first 3 common multiples are, 36, 72 and 108.